The year is 1961. Police officers seek a bombing suspect and evidence of the bombing at the defendant, Miss Mapp's, house. After failing to gain entry on their initial visit, the officers return with an alleged search warrant, forcibly entering the residence and conducting a search in which obscene materials are discovered. The petitioner was tried and convicted for these materials.
Alrighty, what do we know so far?
We know that police were searching for bomb paraphernalia and found something.
Did the officers have a search warrant?
Allegedly. But we do have this video evidence of the officers entering Miss Mapp's.
Roll the film.
Ouch. That looks like it.
Yes, it did, but I didn't see a search warrant in his hand.
It's settled then.
The officers had probable cause to search the residence. They believe there was bomb materials inside.
Yes, but the materials confiscated were obscene materials, not bomb materials.
Very true. What exactly is meant as obscene materials? That is quite vague.
Anyways, the confiscation is in violation of both the First and Fourth Amendment.
I agree with Whitaker, although the Ohio state statute forbids possession of such materials, and she was convicted based on that statute in the lower courts.
Is this any different from the prohibition? The US government tried to outlaw alcohol and that turned out terribly and was overturned. The law didn't prevent Miss Mapp from acquiring obscene materials. Plus, it is her right to possess obscene materials if she so desires.
The prohibition and the Ohio state statute are law. Anyone found guilty must be punished. Miss Mapp was unlucky enough to have the obscene materials in her possession when she was being searched. We're getting off task here. The question in question is if the evidence is permissible in a court of law. The origin of it is rather questionable.
I vote no.
I concur. My vote is also no.
I believe Miss Mapp should be punished, but not based on this evidence. I still believe the officers had probable cause. I'm voting yes.
I agree with Justice Frankfurter. The evidence was obtained illegally. I vote no.
I am in favor of this evidence being presented in a court of law.
I am not. My vote is no.
Likewise, agreed.
You make me found myself waking in the same clothes, shaking from my temple to my ankles. Sunny, but I need another raincoat. Waiting by a payphone, finally I coughed up some awful information that I thought of.